Hello mga kapatid, so I just want to share with you this new recipe. So this is my very own recipe. So hindi ito kinapi or finalo ko sa iba. So this is my very own recipe of doing a Chinese porridge. So I call this is Chinese all-in-one porridge recipes. So yan yung tawag ko dito guys. Kasi kung alam niyo kung bakit. So nilagay ko na yung more vegetables inside the porridge. Kasi kapag do you remember yung lugaw sa atin? Arroz caldo yung tawag dun sa amin. So, it tasty. Hindi siya yung boring. Kasi more on sa Chinese food, pag porridge is very plain, no taste. So, nilalagyan nila din ng meat inside, pero no taste. So, we try it different way. So, kahit yung employer ko nagpagsabi niya, oh, masarap siya. So, yun. So, you need to clean the rice. You need to rinse the rice first. And then, yung meatballs dito, yung pork balls nyo, you need to marinate with salt, pepper, sugar, and soy sauce. And then, you need to add some corn flour din para maging sticky siya. And sesame oil. So, you need to make like a ball. So, ano na to guys, you need to fry also here, yung, tawag doon? Onion. Yung, alam niyo yung maliliit na onion. So, kasi mas fragrant yun siya. So, and then, garlic. So, you need to fry garlic kasi kapag mayroong ganun, masarap yun. So, do you remember pag nasa PH tayo, yung ganito. So, masarap siya. So, and then, after you fry that, you need to cook your porridge na. So, kasi yung gagamitin mong oil is yung from the garlic and onion. So, yung small onion. So, you need to fry a bit the rice and you need to add the water. And if it's boiled na, so you need to add your balls na homemade pork balls. So, after that, it will boil and then you need to add carrot and then some stem of the chai sim. Chai sim kasi yung ginamit ko dyan. So, you need to add chai sim, yung kanyang stem para maluto. And then, yung parang sa branch niya, yun din yung unahin nyo before the leaf. Kasi kapag inuna nyo yung, maano siya ma-overcook. So, that's all. Napaka-easy lang. And you need to add spring onion and coriander. So, that's it guys. You have a yummy porridge na. So, thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan nyo itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always.